Subukan natin itong makabagbag damdamin song ni Boy from since 1992 ba?
Yes, oo. Ito pala yung una namin kanta. Ikaw na, mukhang special kay Nance tong kantang to. Paliwanag mo nga ulit kung bakit ka tinaran na Boy Hulot pare.
Hindi naman. Ganda yung song talaga ni Boy. And nung narinig ko yung song niya, parang sinamarize lahat na nangyari sa buhay ko. Yun.
Nabaha yung kotse mo.
Oo, akala ko kasi submarine siya eh.
Nung Ondoy, biglang umaandar ka, nabaha yung bagong kotse mo, tapos kinabot ka sa leeg.
Hindi naman.
Di ba? Ganun?
Kuitan lang.
O, pero nakadapa ka nun.
Paano naman ako dadapa nun?
Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga naalala mo? Tsaka yung nalungkot ka, no? Yung tinawag mong taga-dasbin, mga taga-Bacoor.
Ay, oo. 3 beses ko pang inulit.
Tsaka yung nakakalungkot din, no? Yung tinawag mo si Duncan Shixie, ano?
Oo, si Duncan Ramos.
Anyway, guys, seriously, yung kantang to ay Please Stay. The very first song na na-compose ko when I was 4th year high school. Hindi ko alam paano, ganito ka seryoso, pero 4th year high school ako. Pero, ganun mo talaga eh, yun yung pumasok. And ito po yung kantang to, actually, nagbunang inner voice. Kasi when my teachers heard it, and they asked my friends to sing it, si Porong, na nagkasama ko nagtayo ng banda, and eventually si Red na kinanta niya ito. And then, in 2012, 2013, nag-reunite kami. Si Nance, siya na yung pinalad na kumanta. So, I hope magustuhan nyo. Ang title ay
Please Stay.
Please stay. Ba yun? You'll always stay. Di ba yun?
Para.
Okay. Alright, guys. Paborito to ng nanay ko. Ma, andyan ang nanay ko sa harap. Ayan. Dito na nga po pala. Auntie ko, andyan. Si Mercy. Si Jake. Si Eddie. Si Eddie, baka may kasamang guardia sa labas.
Si Eddie? Yan si Eddie.
Okay po. Ito po ay Please Stay. May mga nagre-request din ito eh. Si...
Why do you have to go away? Why don't you stay? I don't wanna let you go, because I love you so. I can't go on into my life without you by my side. Remember when you said you loved me too, and all the things that we've been through. Loving you forever, hoping that we'll always be together. Are those the only things that I can do? I wanna let you know, that I love you so, we still can make it through. Please let me sing to you. I need your love, I need your touch, and so my love. To make you your touch and show my love. Please stay. We still can make it through. Please let me sing to you. I need your love, I need your touch, and so my love. Please stay. Please stay.
Thank you.
Copy ang copy ah.
Parang original ka.
Babagsak na.
Parang kopya mo yung original ah. Yun guys, the very first song na ginawa ko. And I hope nagustuhan ninyong lahat.